some bacon, some fig vinegar, chicken Savoy. Drain it the best I can. Oops, sorry. That's a big one. And we're going to wrap them with bacon. Alright. Wait for it. There you go. Fig vinegar, chicken Savoy wrapped in bacon. Alright, wait for it. It's time for the fire. Alright, today we're overcooking it. All the moisture is gone. So now we need our spatula because we know the stuff in the pan, we've overcooked it. We want to get that bacon nice and crispy. We got to flip it now. See, no moisture. All right, everything moves. Time to flip it. Put a plate on it. And because we overcooked it, we're not going to drain it. We want to try to keep as much moisture there as possible. Nice. We're going to get a paper towel and clean out some of the smegma. A little residual in the pan. Oops. A couple little pieces of bacon. Look how beautiful that is. Now you just want to slide it in. We're going to do 3 minutes on that side. Wait for it. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. All the moisture is gone. And we're done. Yummy. Love it.